Did you know that only 15% of photographers who start in business succeed? 15%. This means that 85% of photographers who dream of earning an income from photography or want it as a full-time career give up. They just give up. I got to thinking, why is this? Well, first, many people don't treat their photography as a business. Owning a camera and taking photos, even if they're the most wonderful images in the world, don't make a business. The business of photography involves so much more than owning a camera, a cool camera, or taking great photos. Another reason photographers don't succeed in the world is because the world doesn't know you exist unless you jump up and shout your name from the rooftops and spread your photos around for everyone to see. You must let your potential clients know you're alive in order to get their business. I've been there, and I can tell you without any fluff whatsoever, it takes time, it takes patience, and it takes a lot of determination to succeed. So you want to be a photographer and enter the business. I say welcome. I want you to succeed and be a part of the 15% who make it and are successful. You must know now and understand completely this is a business and your photography is merely an endpoint. Get in the mindset now that you are building a business to last. If you want to earn an income from your photography, this class is for you. Learn firsthand what it really means to be a professional photographer. What's in store just might surprise you. There are countless photographers today, countless, and the field continues to grow by leaps and bounds. In fact, almost everyone who owns a camera or even a mobile phone with a camera on it will call themselves a photographer. Don't let this put you off. Not everyone knows what it takes to be successful, and they end up being part of the 85% who give up. Learn what it takes to not only be a professional, but also successful. You know, in this world of Instagram, Facebook, and mobile phones galore, everything gets a bit fuzzy and confusing. But there's no need to be confused. It is true. Challenges are going to await you at every corner. I'm here to be your online mentor. Pay close attention in this course and you will know exactly what it means to be a photographer and have a photography business. I'll cover the roles that you will have as a photographer, where to expect your income to come from. We all want to know how to get paid, and we will evaluate your photography, and I'll share words of wisdom only an experienced photographer would know. I'll be honest with you, but I'm going to ask you to be honest with yourself. I'm Mark Paulda, a professional travel photographer and best-selling author. My photos have been seen in magazines across the world, such as Lonely Planet, Billboard magazine, Digital Photography magazine, The Guardian newspaper, and even MTV. My first two photography books are bestsellers for my publisher, and that was a surprise for them and for me. And they both sold out of their first printings within the first 3 months of their release. It's safe to say I know about the photography business and how it works. I can also help teach you what it means to be a photographer, be in the photography business, and put you on a path to success. So let's get rolling. I look forward to seeing you in class.